Alright guys, so today I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing video on this Airlift ride control system that I picked up for my truck. So with these two welders in the back, there's about 1,200 pounds of weight back here, and she's squatting pretty good. So I decided to order this, and so let's cut her open and see what's inside the box, eh? Mainly doing this because I want to look at it. Alright, what do we got here? Airbag number 1. Holy crud. Got some beefy brackets. These things are made out of like 1/4-inch plate. Check that out. Probably hard to pick up on the camera, but man, these suckers are thick. Which, I mean, it makes sense. It wasn't packaged super awesome, so there's some of the powder coats been scratched off by the other mounting bracket that's in here. Other mounting bracket. And then these are, this is the one that goes on the leaf, that goes over the axle. Mounting bracket goes on the axle. Another one. The other airbag. We've got a baggie of goodies. So it looks like this. So this white plastic piece in here is the alignment tool. You've got your U-bolt mounts and your airline. We've got a little thank you for your purchase. Oh, there we go. Extremely detailed installation instructions. And then a bag of hardware for installing said Airlift kit. Oh, and you can't forget the sticker. Got a sticker. Stickers are what matter around here. Let me grab you guys and we'll take a little different look at this. So, yep, there are the two mounts. Those are the two that go on the axle. These are going to get drilled into the frame using these mounting points. Oops. Using those mounting points, drill some holes in the frame. These, I believe, go like, yeah, because that's where the air goes. So these go like that. I mean, this is upside down, but this is how they're going to go together. Something similar to that. Just, you know, flipped that way. So, got that. Once again, giant Airlift sticker. That'll look good on the back window. The alignment tool for getting the lower and upper mount aligned so that your airbag's not sitting in there like crooked. Nobody likes a crooked airbag. And then instructions and closer look at the hardware bag. Very simple kit. I look forward to the installation of this kit. Just doing a short video today. I wanted to kind of do an overview of this. Figured it'd be worth it making its own thing. So we'll see you guys when it's time to install it.